Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a delicious recipe for you all for these vegan zucchini lasagna roll-ups. And I know this is a recipe that's been around for a while. I'm not saying I invented or reinvented the wheel or anything, but this time of year I'm very much looking for lighter comfort foods just in between the holidays when you can start to feel a little bit bloated and like kind of groggy, you know. I mean, we eat all the delicious food, but then sometimes I'm looking for something a little bit lighter but still has a lot of comfort, and this dish is it because it is filled with delicious tofu Robota and then topped with sauce and vegan cheeses, and it still has all that comfort food feeling but just a little bit lighter, and plus the zucchini just melts in your mouth. It is so good. Speaking of the holidays, it is a great time to pre-order my cookbook Plantiful. If you pre-order it, you get a free holiday ebook recipe just by sending an email to plantifulbook@gmail.com with a screenshot of your receipt. And there will also be some other exciting things coming up for anybody who pre-orders, so keep an eye out for that. The full written out recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that, and the ingredients are written out down there as well. With all that being said, let's get into the recipe.
We're going to start this off by making our tofu Robota. So we're going to take 1 block of firm tofu, crumble that into a blender, and then we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of non-dairy milk. Make sure it is unsweetened and unflavored so that way it doesn't change the taste. And then we're going to add in some garlic powder, nutritional yeast, salt, and dried parsley. And then we are just going to start to blend this up until it reaches a Ricotta texture, thick, creamy, but also still has a little bit of consistency to it, a little bit of texture, a little bit of bite. You can scrape the sides down of your blender. Make sure to do that so everything is getting well incorporated, and it's almost going to be a little bit whipped up, and that's exactly what we're going for. It's going to look something like this, and then you can just taste it and adjust any seasonings to your preference. I wanted to add a little bit more salt, and that's all you have to do. So then you're just going to set this to the side while we work on making our zucchini ribbons. So we're going to take 3 zucchini and chop off the top and the bottom of them. Just do this to all of your zucchini, and thicker zucchini are better for this. You know, a thicker zucchini will make a thicker ribbon. So then once I chopped off those, I'm going to take a vegetable peeler. I'm going to peel off that first layer of skin, and then I'm going to use this to make my zucchini ribbons. Very simple, very easy. You're going to peel until you get to the middle of the zucchini. Once you get to the middle, there's going to be a lot of seeds, and it's going to get a little bit more watery, and those ribbons are going to become too thin, as you can see here. So we're just going to flip the zucchini over and repeat the process with the same side. With those scraps, you can just save it, use it in a vegetable broth, chop it up small, make it with stir fry and omelet. You know, there's plenty of things you can do with that, so don't worry about it. So the zucchini ribbons will look something like this. For the sauce, I'm going to use Rayo's marinara sauce, easy store-bought. Of course, you can make homemade, it's your decision. Pour about 1 cup of sauce into the bottom of a 9 by 11 inch pan, and then I'm just going to shake the sauce up so this way it gets all over in the pan. This is going to prevent the zucchini roll-ups from sticking to the bottom of the pan. And then from there, we're going to make our zucchini roll-up. So you're going to take 4 of the zucchini ribbons, and you're going to lay them down so they're somewhat overlapping to make sort of our big roll-up noodle. Then you're going to take about a heaping tablespoon of the tofu Robota, put it towards the bottom of the zucchini, and then we're going to roll it out, you know, spread it out with your spoon a little bit, and then roll it up and to make your roll-ups. And that's all you have to do. Very easy. And then you're just going to take your roll-up and put it in your pan with your sauce, and that's all you got to do. And we're just going to repeat this with all of our zucchini. I got about 14 roll-ups from this. You can use 3 zucchini ribbons if you want. You don't have to use 4, but I got about 14, which I think was a good serving for 2 people. So we're going to line this up in our pan like so. Then we're going to cover it with some tomato sauce. I used about 1/2 cup. If you like it saucier, you can use a full cup. So just spread the tomato sauce over it. And then I made a vegan cheesy sauce that I just melted some vegan mozzarella and non-dairy milk in a pot, and you're just going to spread that over top. I like to do this because it makes the cheese more bubbly, browny, you know, kind of more like real cheese. So that's why I like to do it. And then I'm just going to cover it with vegan parmesan, and we're going to pop this in the oven, bake it at 425 for 20 minutes, and then broil until it is nice and golden and brown on top. When it's all done, it's going to look something like this. It just looks beautiful, and we just need a little bit of that close-up on that bubbly goodness. Just look at that. Just everything you want in life. Sprinkle some vegan parmesan and basil on top, and that's it. You're done, and now you can serve it and enjoy. To serve, you're just going to pop a few on a dish, and then you can just garnish it with more basil and vegan Parmesan cheese. And these were just so good. They are so light, they are so fluffy, and they are just absolutely delicious. And I think you're really going to enjoy them because, I don't know, we ate the whole tray in like a day. So it was completely gone, and they were just so good.
Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed these zucchini lasagna roll-ups. They were so easy to make and so yummy and so delicious. Pair them with a nice big side salad filled with delicious things like quinoa and tomatoes and olives, and I think you will have a delicious meal on your hands. Like I said earlier, full written out recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that, and all the ingredients are written out in there as well. If you try this, be sure to tag me on Instagram or use hashtag plantifullybased so I can see your beautiful recreations. And if you like my videos, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All that good stuff helps the channel out and helps us to grow and spread more vegan recipes. We will be starting holiday recipes next week, so get excited. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!